truck and ready to get on the road. I'm heading to South Brunswick. I got to sleep in a little bit today because Dana is going to go pick up the gas-powered Titan post driver. She has to go to Flemington on 202. Fusco's, only place we could find that have one. Home Depot says they own them, but not a single Home Depot in New Jersey had one. Couldn't find one in New York. Anyway, we're gonna measure and lay out our garden area and begin driving post today and hopefully get some of the wire up. I'm gonna have to stop at Home Depot on the way there. And the biggest goal is to get this all done and get the jack back to Fusco's by 5 p.m. We'll see how that goes because they don't do weekend rentals. Yeah. I'm so tired. Anyway, time for a hour and 45-minute drive. So there's 25. Just getting a couple shots. They are not perfect, but we got them in. Very rocky soil, and the Titan was quite a challenge. But the ones that aren't completely in the ground, I think are close enough. Our wire won't go straight across, but we might have to just skip a hole or make our own hole. So all of this is done for now, and then this is going to be our center gate. And these H posts, they can't really be put in with the Titan that we got. So I'm just going to use a post digger, set the poles, H post, and have that be part of the whole wired system going around. And then these three 2.75 posts, which are nice and beefy, they're the ones that we also used on our corner posts. And of course, you know, we set every 8 feet. You can do every 16 with these, but the reason why we did every 8 is because of that guy right there. Yeah, buddy, I see you. So we're trying to deer-proof this, and we're worried a deer might run straight through 16 feet without seeing that white pole there. So we did every 8. I mean, hell, if this Titan post driver wasn't so difficult, I'd put him every 4 feet. Not perfectly bone straight. We tried using a vertical level, tried keeping them straight, but they deviated as we started hitting rocks, twisting and turning. That's all I have for you right now. Be sure to subscribe so you can follow us on our journey. Next, we start receiving materials and we put together our tiller and start that process. Until then, keep growing.